Right, here we go. Just left Property Marina on my first solo cruise ever. I've been on many boats, but never on my own. Bit nervous, I must admit. That's why I'm going so slow. Just get used to it. Be coming up to a lock shortly. I want to try and get through about 8 locks today. On my way to Calcutta Marina. The route planner says it should take about 9.5 hours of cruising. So I'm going to do that over 2 days so I don't have to rush. Try and get the majority of it done today. Morning. I suspect this is going to take all day long. So I haven't worked out a proper way to do them on my own yet.